Okay, we're going to replace these stripped hinge screws with a Zim screw in just minutes instead of hours of trying to fix this. Ready? Here we go. But first we're going to remove the original screws. Probably a good idea to support the door when you take the hinge off here. Now we're just going to flip this out of the way. Take the provided drill bit with it, and you're going to drill, make a little bit of a mess here, make sure you put something down. And now we're going to go ahead and put the Zim screw in. And make sure you just go in flush. Just flush with the jam. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the screws back in. We're only going to do the one just to show you real quick what this is. So flip the hinge back over. Take the provided screws for the Zim screw. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, there you are. Done in just a minute. And that probably took about 2 to 3 minutes.
There you go.